In this video, we're going to take a look at PayPenny and Remitly. So we're going to take a look and see which one is better. Now, as you can see, if we go to PayPenny, we can basically transfer money. They have an amazing app that you can use to basically exchange money, withdraw, send, and receive. And same for Remitly. Now, Remitly is far more popular and more used worldwide. So it's easier to send money to your friends. And as you can see here, you can send from all these countries here to these countries here. As you can see, you can send it to India, Philippines, Pakistan, and many more. So all you have to do is simply go to Remitly and simply click on get started. Now here we have the rates and fees. So as you can see, the fee is like $1. And if we go to PayPenny, sadly you can only use the app. And as you can see, if we go to pricing, you can see that they have zero fees. So overall, now depending on your needs and how much you need to send, I think Remitly is a better option. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.